What's up, guys? So, you just unboxed your brand new iPhone 17 Pro and noticed, wait a second, there's no paperwork inside the box. Don't worry, you're not the only one. Apple has been cutting down on extras for years to reduce packaging and push digital support. That means in some regions, you'll only get the iPhone, the USB-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool if required. No big setup guide, no Apple stickers, and sometimes no warranty booklet. But here's what you should do. All manuals and warranty info are now digital. Go to Settings, then General, scroll the screen to Legal and Regulatory on your iPhone. Apple stickers are limited to certain models or regions, so don't stress if yours didn't come with them. If you're missing the SIM ejector tool and you need one, you can request it from Apple support or just use a small pin. So, it's not a mistake, it's Apple's new packaging trend. Your iPhone is still brand new and covered under warranty. To transfer everything from your old iPhone to your new iPhone, watch the video given description below. Thanks for watching.